Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to do a little bit of fishing. And what you're looking at right there is my go-to fishing kit. That fishing pole and two others just like it stay in my truck at all times. That little tackle box there stays in the truck, but I also have one other bait bag that's full of plastics and other lures that I might choose from to put in there. But the general rule when I head out fishing, and then when I'm saying, you know, like you're going to go fish for an hour or something in the afternoon, or you see some water and you want to go fish, this is what I'm going to grab. And today I'm going to take you on one of those adventures. I'll be here for just a little while. I'll show you what fish I catch the best I can, recording and reeling them in at the same time. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be right back with the rest of this video. So what you see there is I wouldn't necessarily say that it's a ultralight spinning reel, but it is definitely lightweight in that telescoping rod. Now I can catch sizable bass, sizable catfish with that pole, but I also can catch little sunfish and, you know, little bitty creek fish and stuff too. I like it because it's very diverse. Now, depending on what time of the year it is, where I'm fishing, I might choose a different couple of items to go into this little tackle box whenever I head out. And honestly, I don't even know what's in there because I didn't even open it today at all. All I did is I grabbed these little grub, these are just curly tail silver minnows, crappie baits, and that's often I'll use crappie baits unless it's, you know, late in the afternoon, I want to fish topwater or something like that. The reason that I use a lot of crappie baits is because they're very diverse. I can catch a 4-ounce brim with a crappie bait, or I can catch a 10-pound bass with a crappie bait. Catfish will hit crappie baits too. Pretty much anything that's in fresh water that feeds on smaller fish will hit a crappie bait if you display it right. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to start fishing, and as I catch them, I'll do my best to try to record them or have somebody else do it. That is a sizable Brim right there, boy. I grew up right here catching them. That's really about half the size of some of the ones I've caught in the past. I'm trying to get them close enough to get a size reference. Touch them with your hand or get your hand close to them.
That's a big old guy.
Yeah. Yep. If you know how to fish, you're going to have food. I consider this right here to be an absolute grab and go or bug out bag essential. A fishing kit like this will keep you fed for, I mean, ever. Honestly, I mean, unless you on a very small piece of water and you and a lot of other people are putting a lot of pressure on it. But generally, you walk through the woods, find a body of water, even if it is only a 3-foot creek, you could harvest quite a few fish with a setup as simple as this. He's running out one of the dudes.
That bread's not working.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Little ultralight rod, man. I don't want to hog them.
Oh, there's that net.
Huh?
Oh yeah, I do have a net. run off.
Not really that big, only like 3 pounds.
Nah, he's got it. Nah, he's still running. Nice.
That's nice, huh? Dig it.
Nice.
This little bitty old guy here. Little half-pound largemouth bass. This little guy here. Well, he's not a pound either. Oh, I still got my drag set real low from that big one earlier. Ain't nothing special. You ain't hungry either. This little old guy. He probably about a half pound maybe. There you go, guys. I was here probably, I don't know, less than an hour. And I caught several fish. I don't know how many that I recorded versus how many that I caught, and I actually don't remember how many that I actually got to record. So you'll see those actually, well, I'll see them before you do, but you'll see them before I see them now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll bring you some more videos like this. See ya. Bye.